I'm an online teacher of classic bags. I teach from the scratch to the finishing. Detailed training online. These are the testimonies. This is my online student from Delta State. They made this from the training class. This another student from Ogun State. They made it from the training class. Not everything online is a scam, all right? Yes, we don't run away with anybody's money, all right? That is the mentality some people have. And then apart from running from people's money, some people think they may deceive them and not teach them exactly what it is expected. Please, I want you to know that not everyone online came with bad intention. We know that not everybody can travel here and there to acquire the skills. So we have to be intentional about teaching people this craft genuinely online. I've been teaching online for quite many years, okay? Yes, all these are testimonies, all right? I have to cover their names for privacy's sake, okay? Yes. So I became an online tutor by privilege. Not every skillful person is a teacher. So God has gifted some of us the ability to teach. That is why we are doing it. If you are ready to join the training class, kindly message me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp contact right here, okay? Yes, you can see it over there by your right. Thank you.